Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gusto for paycheck changes after job offers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Gusto for paycheck changes after receiving a job offer, start by navigating to the Gusto website. In your web browser, enter the URL www.gusto.com. Once the website loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Gusto account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. After logging in, you will be taken to your Gusto dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Personal Information or Pay section. Click on the section to access your paycheck details. To make changes, locate the Edit button next to the relevant paycheck information. Make the necessary adjustments to your earnings or deductions as required. Be sure to double-check your entries for accuracy before saving the changes. Once satisfied with your adjustments, click the Save or Update button. You will receive a confirmation notification indicating that your changes have been saved. Review your dashboard to ensure that the updates reflect correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer to Gusto's Help Center for further assistance. Logging into Gusto for paycheck changes is a straightforward process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.